Hi guys, this is Tyler from ORATS, and today I'm going to show you how to view earnings information and insider trading activity in the Trade Builder. The Trade Builder is a one-of-a-kind graphing tool that allows you to interactively build options trades leg by leg on a forward-looking graph. The left side of the graph shows you the historical performance on a daily interval, overlaid with trend lines, earnings information, and insider trading activity. The right side of the graph will show you the full options chain, complete with future expirations, strikes, volatility information, and details for every option. I cover these in more detail in a separate video. In this video, we'll be looking at more of the historical side of the graph. Let's start with earnings. You can toggle earnings being shown on the graph by clicking this button. When they're shown, you'll see the date the company reported earnings along with actual and implied earnings moves. The implied earnings move is one of our most popular indicators and shows you how much the options market expected the stock price to move in any given direction. For example, if the stock price moved more than the implied move, it would indicate that a long straddle would have been a profitable strategy. On the other hand, if the stock price moved less than the implied move, a long straddle would have likely lost money. Let's move on to insider trading activity. When an officer, director, or large shareholder of a company buys or sells shares, they are required to report that transaction. On the graph, you can see when these transactions occurred, who made them, and how many shares were bought or sold. The size of the triangles indicate the relative size of the transaction, and you can mouse over them to see more details. Remember, if you want to see a longer or shorter time horizon on the graph, you can always zoom in or out by clicking the zoom level buttons. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or email support@orats.com.